Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Hootsuite account, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your Hootsuite account, start by visiting the Hootsuite website. Once you're on the home page, locate the sign in button in the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to proceed. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password. If you don't have an account yet, look for the Get Started or Sign Up option. Click on Get Started to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. After entering your details, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Then, click on the Create Account or Sign Up button. You will receive a confirmation email at the address you provided. Open your email inbox and find the email from Hootsuite. Click on the confirmation link within the email to verify your account. If you do not see the email, check your spam or junk folder. After confirming your email, return to the Hootsuite website. Sign in again using your email address and the password you created. Once signed in, you may be prompted to set up your profile. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your profile setup. Next, you need to connect social media accounts to your Hootsuite dashboard. Click on the Add a Social Network button. Choose the platform you wish to connect, like Facebook or Twitter. Follow the prompts to authorize Hootsuite to access your social media accounts. Once connected, you can customize your dashboard according to your preferences. Take a moment to explore the Hootsuite interface and features available. After fully setting up your account, you're ready to start managing your social media. Congratulations, your Hootsuite account is now activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.